The life of a veterinarian is never boring. From regular wellness visits to surgeries, a veterinarian is always busy in the clinic. Vets treat many types of animals, from small kittens to cattle. I want to pursue a career that betters the life of animals, and this career is the ideal choice. I'm going to talk to you about the many aspects of being a small animal veterinarian and the duties that come with the profession. The general description of veterinarians is to diagnose and treat animals. There we go. And although there are many different specialties in the veterinary field, I want to be a small animal veterinarian that works with dogs and cats as companion animals and work to communicate with their owner to ensure that these pets have a happy and healthy life. There are many daily activities that come with being a small animal veterinarian, and most of these are well-being visits that are a physical examination of an animal looking for any physical abnormalities. At these visits, the vet may also run blood tests and give vaccinations, and the results of these visits will determine if the patient needs any prescribed medication or another scheduled visit. The scheduled appointments check animals that are in for certain problems such as vomiting, coughing, or other problems that the veterinarian needs to check out. And the last thing a veterinarian does are surgeries. Most small animal veterinarians also specialize in surgeries. Most of the surgeries compose of neuter and spays with a new animal, tumor removals, and dental care. There are many pros and cons of being a small animal veterinarian. One of them is that there are a variety of tasks instead of doing the same thing every day. It's not an office job, and I tried to contact a veterinarian in Zionsville Animal Hospital. They didn't get reached back, but I did find an interview with Dr. Joanna Paul, a veterinarian from Melbourne, Australia, that mentions that the favorite part of being a veterinarian is that there really is no typical day, and every day is a new challenge. The veterinarian also has the satisfaction of helping animals. The veterinarian has the ability to save the life of an animal, which directly affects the life of an owner with their pet. However, there are some cons to being a veterinarian, one being emotional distress, that veterinarians cannot save every animal, and it is difficult to see an animal pass away or struggle in pain. The last con is that veterinarians work long hours in the clinic with appointments and surgeries and are always on call in the evenings on weekends. Here's a flowchart with an educational background starting in high school, where, according to Purdue University, it is best to finish 4 years of math, 4 years of English, and the basic science courses composing of biology, chemistry, and physics. Upon graduating high school, veterinarians will enter in a bachelor program on the pre-vet pathway, and most of these veterinarians will pursue a biology major, but as long as they complete the required courses, there could be any majors, and the required courses compose of biology, microbiology, animal biology, and systematic biology, along with many more. At Purdue University, they have a good biology program that also has a veterinary school in Indiana with an in-state tuition of around $10,000. After receiving the bachelor degree, a doctor of veterinary medicine is also needed at a veterinary school. There are only 30 in the U.S., so entrance into these schools can be very competitive, but at these schools, the future veterinarians will receive 4 years of clinical, classroom, and laboratory experience. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median pay of being a veterinarian as of 2018 is $93,000 per year. This can increase with specializations such as surgeries, internal medicine, and oncology. But however, looking at this graph, new veterinarians after graduating from vet school can expect to make around $70,000 per year. But this can increase throughout time. Also, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the career choice of a veterinarian is supposed to grow 18% from 2018 to 2028, faster than the average careers. But looking at this slide, out of veterinary college, as of 2014, only 45% of graduates can get a job at a clinic. So it can be hard to get a job after college. After learning about what the veterinary field entails, I believe that I have the personal qualifications to pursue the challenging yet rewarding career of a veterinarian. Veterinarians work hard to make sure every animal in their clinic has a healthy life. The career of a veterinarian is a perfect choice for me, and I hope to work hard in my academic future to ensure entrance in veterinary school to achieve this goal. Thanks.